going to come diving in from high to the right. Rolling that airplane. That's about 11 G's right there. As he does a tail slide, hits that little airplane on its prop, drops out of the sky backwards like he's sliding down. Watch him slide back down on that tail. On the prop, and down he comes. Now watch his next maneuver. Nose over tail, tail over nose. A rolling lobster. Paul told me yesterday that if man was made to do this maneuver, then God would have made puke taste good. He's hovering that airplane, sheer power. That's not aerodynamics, that is power. Turning the airplane in the hover using that IO 540 380 horsepower Lycoming engine. Paul also does some slow speed aerobatics. He calls it his aerial ballet. And he'll show us some slow, graceful maneuvers at about 100 knots airspeed.
Oh my God.
A true champion aerobatic performer, Mr. Paul Lopez.
Unreal. You see what he just did?
See Paul execute the aerobatic maneuver known as the shark tooth.